Hello everyone, it's me Ahmed Radwan, and today we are going to continue our series PHP from scratch, and also we are going to continue with databases and MySQL, and this is going to be part 8. So let's get started. Last time we stopped at this level, and here I just added this employee ID here, or I think this one. I'm not sure which one I have added. I have added one more column, so let's run it. Yeah, now I want to show you some things here. Here also I can use other sign like greater than, for example. Here it's okay. As you can see here, the number of records changed and all the result is going to be greater than 5. I can also use greater than or equal. I want to place 8. Let me see. As you can see here, they are going to be more than 8. Also less than can be used. Less than 3. As you can see, also it's going to work. All this tutorial is going to be about SQL, nothing about PHP. Also I want to show you something else. Here I can use AND. For example, if I want to use AND, let me check something here, and customer ID, I will copy this one, and customer ID equals to this one. Okay, so I have to place this in single quotes because it's string. Here an employee ID, oh sorry, I have to say here equals 5, and employee here 5 without quotes, but the customer ID, because it's string, must be placed in quotes. So let's run it. I have problem here. Actually I think no problem, but maybe we try no records for this statement. So I will just change this one to be more than 5, and let's run it. And as you see, I got it. All of them have the same customer ID that I have selected. Also I can use OR instead of AND. I can use OR like that. So here I'm getting 303 records using OR. Also I want to show you something else. I'm going to delete this one. What if I want to order the result? If I run this one without like that, it's not ordered. It's not in order 69868. I want to sort this one, so I will use order by which one I want to use the column. I want to use the employee ID. Okay, so that's going to be employee ID here, order by employee ID, and let's run it. And as you see now, it's sorted 6, and I have over 200 record, 280 something. As you can see, they are sorted. This is going to sort it ascendingly. If I want, I can use this one. It has the same meaning. It will do the same thing. If you want to see, it's ascending, but if I want descending, sometimes this browser is not so good, the internal browser. So I say descending. Now let's run it. As you can see, start from 9, then 8, and so on, and 7. This is how you can sort. What now if I do want, as you see here, I have many records, and maybe the page will not be fine to have too many records. So what if I want to have only some results? I don't want to have the whole result, so I use limit like that. Limit 6 will give me 6 results only. As you can see, I'm getting 6 results only, and here 6. Also I can use limit with 2 numbers like that, like 6, for example 5 and 6. This is going to start from 5, from the 5th record, and will count 6 records. So let's try it. I should have 6 records. Okay, 6 records, but this is not starting from the record number 1. This is starting from the record number 5. I want to show you something else. What if I want to select specific employee IDs? I don't want greater than 5. I want, for example, 5 and 7 and 9. How to do that? In order to do that, I have to use this keyword n, where employee ID n, then open round brackets and close it, and insert the IDs you want. For example, I say 5 and 6 and 9, for example. Let's try it. So here I have 152 records, and as you see, only here on the left the IDs I selected 659. Also here I want to show you something. I just want to make this one only 2 records. Here I will copy this and paste it again, and just I will change this number to be, say, 1 and 9, for example. And here I want to give this is SQL number 1, SQL statement number 1, and this is SQL statement number 2. I want to get the result of both statements. How to do that? In order to do that, I will use SQL equals. I will copy this one and 2 dots and paste it again. This is going to be SQL 1 and SQL 2, and in between the 2 dots I will use a statement. It's a SQL statement. It's called union. Union will join 2 statements. So I have statement 1, statement 2. I want to join them together. So I'm expecting now to have what? To have the records 5, 6, 1, 9 together. So let's run it. And as you see here, 5, if you go down, 5, 6, as you can see, 1, 9. This is how we can join 2 statements using the keyword union here. And remember, this union is not PHP. It's not PHP statement, not PHP function. It's SQL function or SQL statement. So I will delete this again because I just don't want it. This one going to be like that. I want to show you something here else. What if here, let me run it. Here I have the customer ID, but what if I want the customer name, the company name? As you can see here, if I go to orders, this is PHP my admin. If I go to orders, now I have the customer ID. So I want to see where is this VINet. It has no, it's just an ID. What's the company name? In order to see that, I have to go to the customers here and find where is this INet or IVNet and get the company name from the customers. So what to do? I want to display the company name here. In order to do that, you have to deal with 2 tables together. In order to do that, you have to deal with 2 tables. So now be careful. until now I was dealing with one table only, but when it comes to dealing with two tables, you have to be accurate. You have to use the table name then the record name, like that. So here I will say orders dot employee ID, and here I don't want these things now. Here also the same thing, orders dot order ID and customer ID. Okay, I need this one. And what else I want? I want the company name. In order to get the company name, I have to deal with which table? With this table, customer. So I will just copy it because I don't want to have mistakes, typo mistakes. And here comma, and here customer dot company name. That also I will copy it because this one the same. This is what I want. Must be the same. Don't use all small letter or capital letters. Now from orders, just to make it nicer for you, I will move this line down. Now I'm dealing with two tables, so I want to display four. Here I'm displaying 3 columns. Here I will display 4 columns. So in order to do that, and I'm dealing with 2 tables, in order to do that I have to use a keyword in SQL called join. Join or inner join, the same. They are exactly the same. Join and inner join will give you the same result. So what other table I want to join? I want to join the table called customer. So I will copy it here, join customer. And what is the key? What is the relationship between the orders table and the customer tables? The relationship is the customer ID must be the same in both tables. So I will type this on, and this is also SQL keyword on orders. I copy this one, orders, those customer ID must equal the customers dot customer ID as well. If you go here, the table, here we have the customer ID as well. So I want both to be the same. And remember this where closure should come at the end. Don't place it here. After you join the tables, you can specify the where closure, not before joining. So let's run it, and as you see, I got what I want. I have joined already 2 tables, and here I'm having the company name, and the result still the same, but what I have added is just the company name. Also, you still can use limit also if you want to, despite you have joined 2 tables. Limit 6, for example. I want 6 records only, and it's working very nicely. The key here is what? The key here is you have to be very specific about the table name, because you are dealing with 2 tables, here customers and here orders. So you have to give the full name, and also you have to specify the joint or the glue here, or the join condition. Orders dot customer ID must equal customers dot customer ID. I hope that was useful for you, and I think now I have covered the most important parts of SQL. Of course, it's not all, but this is the most commonly used. If it's up to you, if you want to search more for SQL statements or to develop more, to develop your knowledge more, you can go to mysql.org.net or .org, I think, I'm not sure. Just search for it in Google. It's the official website for MySQL. And I say to you, have a nice day. Bye.